this is how I augment my phone. Because while I might sort of just walk around from time to time shooting like that, preferably, I'm not going to put that there because that's just not going to look good on
social media.
Hello. I always say to people, the great thing about your mobile phone is that it's light and portable. The worst thing about your phone is that it's light and portable. And that's where the camera shake comes in and where the quality can sort of very quickly degrade. Well, the stabilization on these things now is amazing. I never use a gimbal because it's just, you know, part of the reason I like this is because it's immediate and authentic, and the gimbal just slows me down. So this is my grip, and the reason I like this is it's very robust, it's quite sturdy, and to put the phone in, there's just a spring-loaded grip. So then there's my phone, and you know, these are not cheap phones, so you want to be able to do that and for it not to fall out. So that's that, and because it adds that bit of extra weight, that's a more comfortable way of holding something than like that, and it's more sturdy. So already I've got a better shot. I might put this on a monopod to get sort of low-level shots, or sort of it becomes a sort of a poor man's Steadicam, because you've got to add in a bit of weight to it. The most important thing besides something like that is sound, because unless your phone is that close to your mouth, the sound is going to be awful. And I still see like paid videos on the internet that people have made on phones, and you're like 3 or 4 feet away from the camera. The sound is shocking. Yeah. So they're a really great, relatively cheap option. So this is about 130 quid. It's designed for mobile, so you just plug it straight in. So that's good. I could be 2 meters away from somebody in a busy sort of convention or something, and you're going to hear the person that I'm interviewing over and above everything else. If you need something a bit more direct, then this is a wireless mic. So that's a little receiver, and again, it's designed for mobile, so you just plug it into the side, and then I can pin this onto the talent, and they can be 250 meters away, and I'm getting great quality audio. Or I can even plug a lav mic into this, and then it becomes a little sort of backpack, and it's hidden away. This is basically £20 for a piece of plastic, but you take another one of these little mics and just slide it in there. And so now I've got a handheld roving mic. So again, you can I can be filming and interviewing, or I can just give the mic to the person. So that, and again, really, really amazing quality for a couple £100. And then just to simplify things, you can just take a little tripod like this, which is, I really like these because they're designed not only as a tripod, which is great if you want to stop and do some time lapse or something, but it's designed as a grip as well. So then you've got, a couple of ways to steady it, and you can just put it down. And for the sake of maybe £200, you can sort of kit out your phone, pimp your phone, and you're a roving mobile filmmaker, reporter, whatever you want to be.